Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Term Unit 4 Measurement Part 3. In this video, we are going to learn about exercise 4.1, fourth sum, multiply the following, and fifth one, divide the following. Exercise 4.1, fourth question, multiply the following. Okay, first one, 4 kilogram 300 gram into 7. So as usual, we can do the multiplication. Fill with the tabular column. See here also I have entered with the proper place value and then split into proper measuring unit. Okay. So நம்ம as usual நம்ம multiply பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதான். Okay. So 7 zeros are 0. 7 into 0, 0. Now come to the tens. 7 into 0, once again 0 only. Then 7 into hundreds and the 300 multiply பண்ணோம். 7 3s are 21. As usual 1 down and then 2 must be entered in thousands above. Okay, thousands மேல fill பண்ணோம். Now 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. So 0 will be here and then 3 must be up. So there is nothing to multiply in 10,000 column, just to bring down the 3 here. So what will be the answer? 30 kilogram and 100 gram. Hope you understand, ma'am. It's very easy. Okay, just you have to do the same multiplication process. Come to the second question. 17 kilogram 750 gram into 8. Okay, as usual, just to fill in the tabular column first. So sure it will be hard, but it gives the proper exact answer. Okay, ma'am. Exact answer வேணும் அப்படின்னா proper place value ல இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் sure we get the exact answer without mistakes. Okay, so now as usual multiply. 8 zeros are 0, then 8 5s are 40, so 0 must be down and then 4 must be above. Yes, now 8 7s are okay, அப்படியே step by step multiply பண்ண வேண்டியதான். 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60, right? So 0 here and 6 above. Now 8 7s are once again 56. 56 plus 6, what? 62. Once again it has come. Okay, so 2 here and then 6 above. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, what? 14. So 4 must be come down and 1 must be above. There is no number to multiply here, so just bring down the 1. So 142 kilogram only is there. There is nothing in the grams column, just you fill the answer like this, right? So once again third sum, 25 kilogram 550 gram into 4. So here we need to multiply as usual. Let us start. நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, place value இருக்கு, measuring unit split பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, so 4 zeros are 0. Now 4 5s are 20, 0 here and then 2 above, right? Once again 4 5s are like this, 20 20 above we have a 2, so 20 plus 2 22, so 2 here and then 2 above. Once again 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 2 here and 2 above. Now multiply 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, right? 8 plus 2 10, so 0 here and then 1 above. Fill the answer down, right? Okay, so 102 kilogram and 200 gram. This will be the answer. Clear? Come to the fourth sum. So 72 gram 350 milligram into 5, right? So now we need to multiply with 5. So as usual 5 zeros are what? 0. Then 5 5s are 25 ma, 5 down and then 2 must be right, carry over to the 100 place. Now 5 3s are 15, isn't it? 15 plus 2, what? Yes, you're right. 17. So 7 must be come down and 1 must be above. Right. So எதுக்கு மேல போடணுங்கிறது இருக்கு, கரெக்டா before place valueல தான் போடணும். ஓகேவா? Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 and right upon 10,000 column, and then now 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, so 6 here and then 3 above. So there is no number in lakh column, isn't it? Right. So bring down the 3 here. So what will be the answer? Yes, 361 gram and 750 milligram. Just note it out. See, no, don't copy from this video ma. Just you have to do by yourself. Once you watch the video and then you try by yourself. It's very, very, very easy. If you follow, sure it will be easy for you. Just try it once. 4.1. Fifth sum, divide the following. First one is 99 kilogram 990 gram divided by 3. See here, we have already done in the first term itself. Length lesson லயே நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். Kilometer, meter ன்ற இதை வச்சு நம்ம செஞ்சிருப்போம். Here we are going to do kilogram and gram. That's it. But as usual division only ma. So I'll give the answer. See here, this is the tabular column. Only thing you have to write under the place value. நீங்க யூனிட்ஸ் எழுதாட்டி கூட பரவாயில்ல, we can split, but you have to write under the heading of place value. That's very, very, very important. Keep in mind. So draw the line like this, and then what will be the divisor? Yes, 3 is the divisor. நம்ம எந்த நம்பரால் டிவைட் பண்றோமோ that is the divisor. Question is dividend. Okay. In division we have to say with the question as a dividend only. Keep in mind. So now what will be the next step? We have to select the first digit, isn't it? So 10,000 ல இருக்க 9 தான் நமக்கு first digit. So அந்த 9 வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம 3 tables சொல்லணும். So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Right? Okay. So இங்கே multiplication symbol போட்டுக்கோங்க. At the top, அந்த 10,000க்கு மேல 3. இப்போ பாருங்க 3 3s are what? 9. So 9 போட்டு now we need to do subtraction. இதை subtract பண்ணதான் நமக்கு reduce ஆகும். So that only we will get the quotient, that is answer. Okay. So now we need to do subtraction. Don't forget, add பண்ணிராதீங்க. So 9 minus 9, 0. What is the next step? We need to bring down the next digit. So 9 அப்படியே கீழே கொண்டு வாங்க. Okay. So once again, 3 3s are 9. As it is subtraction, do subtraction. Okay. So 9 minus 9, 0. Once again bring down the next digit. Once again 9 only. So once again 3 3s are 9. It's so easy ma, isn't it? So 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down the next digit. Once again 9. So 3 3s are 9. Fine. So if we do subtraction, 0 only. See, at last we have one more 0 ma. Don't reject that. You have to bring down that number also. Right? So 0 கீழே கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. Because in 3 table we have 0 also. 3 zeros are, yes, we have the answer 0. So 3 into 0, 0. இப்படி நீங்க மைனஸ் பண்ணி எழுதினா மட்டும்தான் ரீசெக் பண்ணும்போது sure it will be easy. Don't avoid this. So come to the answer now. Yes. So 33 kilogram 330 gram. அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற மாதிரி grams வந்து 3 digitsல இருக்கு. நம்மளும் அதையே split பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு இந்த answer தான் split பண்ண முடியும். Okay. So now checking time. Yes. This is the formula ma. This is very important. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. That's equal to dividend. Dividend றது நம்ம question. Okay. அந்த questionல இருந்து தான் நம்ம answers கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். இப்போ answerல இருந்து நம்ம dividend question கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So if you do this, you will get the question exactly. So அங்கே நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Okay. On the spotly, you can check your answer whether it's correct or not. Hope you understand. Fine. Second question, 147 gram 630 milligram divided by 7. Just as usual, I'll give the tabular column, just check it out. So 147, 630, isn't it? I have written under the heading of what? Place value. Then draw the line like this. So what is the divisor? Now 7. So we need to check with 7 times table, right? So let us select the first digit 1. But there is no 1 in the 7 times table, isn't it? Let us select 0, no problem. So 7 zeros are 0. So what is the next one? Minus, isn't it? Minus panano. So 1 minus 0, 1. So bring down the next digit 4, right? So in the mari step by step தான் போகணும், so that you will get an correct answer. Okay ma? So now we have 14. So in 7 times table, yes, we have 7 2s are 14, isn't it? So 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14, 0, right? Now bring down the next digit. Yes, 7 is there. So 7 1 time. 7 1s are 7. So 7 minus 7, 0. Bring down the next digit ma, 6. There is no 6 in 7 times table, isn't it? So 6 kadayadu, but we have 0, isn't it? So select that. So 7 zeros are 0. Bring down the answer after doing subtraction. So 6 minus 0, 6. Now bring down the next digit 3. Now we have 63, isn't it? So 7 times table, yes, 7 9s are 63 ma. Am I right or not? Yes, it's correct only. So 63 minus 63, answer is 0. Bring down the last digit also 0. So 7 zeros are 0. So we got the answer. So tally with this, right? Okay. இந்த மாதிரி ஃபைனலாக முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் we have to come out. So answer will be 21 gram 90 milligram. எதனால அங்க முன்னாடி இருக்கக்கூடிய 0 போடல? Because இங்க 3 digitல milligram 613 3 digitல கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் இங்க நமக்கு 090, we couldn't read that, right? So 90 milligram and 21 gram. Clear? But at the topல இருக்கக்கூடிய quotient-ஐயும் exact-ஆ வச்சு multiply பண்ணாதான் உங்களோட dividend அந்த questions வந்து கரெக்டா கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, நம்ம ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதும்போது நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி எழுதுறோம். ஸோ இதை நீங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஷியோர் யூ won't get the correct answer. ஜஸ்ட் டிவிஷன்ல என்ன ப்ராசஸ் பண்றோமோ அந்த குவாஷன்ட் என்ன ஆன்சர்ஸ் கிடைக்குதோ எக்ஸாக்டா அதையும் டிவைசரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு தென் ஆட் வித் ரிமைண்டர் யூ வில் கெட் த டிவிடெண்ட். தட் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? Third question, 550 kilogram 220 gram divided by 11. So as usual ma, I'll give us a tabular column. Just to go through this, draw the line and then divisor is 11. So it's easy to write the answer. So as usual, here also you have to select first digit only 5. But 5 is not there, isn't it? But don't worry about that. We have 0. So 11 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Right? So as usual, okay, 5. Then bring down the next digit 5. So now we have 55, isn't it? So 11 5s are 55. So if you subtract me, sure you get the answer 0 and then bring down the next digit, right? So 11 zeros are 0, isn't it? So as it is. Tally with that. Don't split anything more. Don't avoid anything. Just whatever in the next digit, you have to do that also. So bring down the next digit 2. Sure, we don't have 2 in 11 times table. So as it is 0 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So 11 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0, 2, isn't it? Then bring down the next digit. Now we have 22, right? So 11 2s are 22. So if we minus 0 only, so last digit 0, bring down that also. So 11 zeros are 0, right? Minus பண்ணுங்க பரவாயில்ல, step by step செஞ்சாதான் we get the exact answer. So write the answer like this. இது எதனால அந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் எழுதிருக்கோம்னா முன்னாடி இருக்க 0 வச்சுட்டு we couldn't read that. நம்மளால சொல்லக்கூட முடியாது. We don't have value also. But in between 0 we have to written carefully. right? So இதுல 50 கிலோகிராம் 20 கிராம் தான் எழுத முடியும் இல்லையா? because அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற டிஜிட்ஸை மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. கிலோகிராமுக்கு 550 கிலோகிராம்னு 3 டிஜிட்ஸ்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த 550க்கு மேல என்ன இருக்கு? 50 only, isn't it? 050 இருக்கு. we couldn't read with 0, start with 0. so 50 தான் நம்ம அங்க எழுத முடியும். அதே மாதிரி கிராம்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய 220க்கு மேல what 020 இருக்கா? so அப்ப அது 0ல இருந்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. so 20 gram is the correct answer. hope you understand. so fourth question ma, 484 gram 384 milligram divided by 4. so here also we are going to do the same procedure. so answer is, I'll give the tabular column, draw the lines. Fine. So here 4 is the divisor. So we need to multiply, isn't it? What is the first digit? 4. So we have 4 times table 4 இருக்கு. So 4 1 times the 4. Clear? So 4 ones are 4 here. மேல quotient எழுதிட்டு தான் நம்ம கீழ கொண்டு வரணும். Don't forget. So 4 minus 4 0. Then bring down the 8. Fine. In 4 times table we have 8, isn't it? So 4 2s are 8. Clear? So if we do subtraction, 8 minus 8, 0. Then what will be the next digit? 4. So once again 4 is there. So 4 1 times 4. So minus 0. You'll get the answer 0 ma. Then bring down the 3. But 3 is not in 4 times table. Am I right? Yes. We have 0. Instead of that we can use 0. 4 zeros are 0. அதை விட கம்மியாக தான் எடுக்கணும். so that only we will do subtraction. so 3 minus 0 3. then bring down the 8. okay, in this 38 we have 4 times table, we don't have 38, isn't it? but we have 36. 38 க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சர் எடுத்துப்போம். so 4 9s are 36. clear ma? அப்பதான் நம்மளால subtract பண்ண முடியும். so do carefully. So 38 minus 36 means you will get answer 2. Then bring down the next digit. Now we have 24. Yes, we have 24 in 4 times table. 4 6 are 24. Right? Okay. So 24 minus 24, 0. We tally this. இப்போ ஆன்சர்ஸ் எழுதுவோம். 484க்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடியது நமக்கு கிராம், 384க்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய 096 தான் நமக்கு மில்லிகிராம். ஸோ 0ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணா we couldn't read. ஸோ 96 மில்லிகிராம்னு நம்ம ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். ஓகே, ஃபைன். ஸோ ரீசெக். yes, sure, we need to do the recheck also ma. just take it out. In this video I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.